Hello. So today I have received my package from Huda Beauty. ये जो ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल है उस पे साइबर क्रेज चल रहा था हुडा ब्यूटी का. So I went a bit crazy and I've got few things for myself. तो वो साथ में हम अनबॉक्स करते हैं. So let me see. I'm excited. Okay. I'm sitting on my I've just returned from work, so I'm just sitting here. Okay, so I ordered the very famous Icy Nude palette of eyeshadow. Then I ordered this was not the order. So then I also got the blush filter Icy Nude in color Latte. So I'll open it and tell you. And then I got the color corrector in pink pomelo. Yeah, like this. And I also got the shimmer lip gloss in Icy Nude She Flirty. And then so with the purchases, there was like 2 gift sets that were as a gift. So for that I got this Huda Beauty palette eyeshadow creamy, and I also got this body blur glow body brush. Yeah. And then I think they also put some easy bake powders with different shades. So these were like things that were given as a gift. And I also purchased the face gloss Icy Nude, this one, and it's called Frostbite. So I'll open these and tell you. So first is some ASMR. So let me see. They don't talk when they do ASMR. I don't have nails. Okay. I'm holding my phone on my bottle. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the colors. Okay, so that's one, the Icy Nude palette. Then the Frostbite gloss. I've been hearing a lot about this. Ooh. So this looks like it has fungus on it. Yeah. So that's the face gloss. And then the latte blush. I don't have patience. I'll have to rip it apart. Okay. And that's the color latte. And then I have the color corrector. So I've never used a color corrector before. This is the first time for me. So that's the color corrector, and it's in pomelo, pink pomelo. So that's for my, and what do I have then? So I got the icy nude gloss. That's very sparkly. That's the gloss. And we also got the gift. So the gift, the creamy so pretty, so pretty colors, shades of browns. I will like try them, but not now. So yeah, and I have the body brush. Let me open that also. I don't want to rip this. I want to keep the packaging for this one. Oh, nice. It's really nice. That's a gift. Yeah, so this is my little purchase that I went crazy. So these, this, and then the gift. So now tell me if you guys want me to try. I'm not a makeup expert, but I'm excited to try these. Yeah, I see nude palette, and apparently they say this is the last like large or big palette that Huda is doing. I don't know if it's a marketing stunt or not, but yes, I'm excited to try these, and I have an event that I'm going for, so I'll be trying these then. So I hope you all have enjoyed my little shopping cyber craze. Have a good evening, and I will try these soon. Take care. Bye bye.